Hello everyone, Namaste. I'm Dr. Anamika, working as a pain specialist in CK Birla Hospital, Sector 51, Gurgaon. So आज हम बात करेंगे about a condition which is not a new entity, but बहुत कम लोगों को पता है that it exists. So it needs a lot of awareness. So that's why I'm choosing this topic. It's fibromyalgia. Fibromyalgia is a very different entity in its own kind, because the complaints are like such. The whole body will be paining. They complain of widespread body pain, neck pain, shoulder pain, back pain, or whole muscles, they start aching. They get stiffness in body. Then associated conditions can be migraine. They have severe headaches. They get severe fatigue the whole day. They cannot work properly. Like they cannot stand for 15-20 minutes in one go, and they start feeling fatigue and tired, and they sit. Then patients also go to various medical practitioners, and all the tests comes negative. So everything comes normal, and there's a dilemma where to go, what to do. The problem here is we have to really understand that it exists, and also the people, their spouse or their family members, relatives should know that वो लोग बहाना नहीं बना रहे हैं for avoiding work, and they actually are suffering from a condition called fibromyalgia, and they should be properly counseled, and even their family members should be counseled about it properly, because it exists. So there are various treatment options. The pathology hasn't been understood properly, but it involves some hormonal changes, then involves some immune system problems or your pain pathways issues. So it's a complex disease which is not properly understood, but we can help them by at least acknowledging that they have that problem. Also, the physical therapy helps, because they have to adopt a proper exercise regime. Best exercises for them are swimming and yoga. Meditation helps, so relaxation techniques have to be included. Then drug therapy, of course, all the nerve medications and other painkillers, depending on the condition. They might have various trigger points in the body, starting like there are many trigger points around their neck, in the lower back, upper back, then knees, their elbows or thigh region. So there are many trigger points. Like if they give pressure on those points, they'll have a lot of pain. So they'll jump with pain. For the trigger points, we can always inject local anesthetic and steroids there to curtail that pain there and then. Also, apart from the drug therapy and these trigger point injections, and we have relaxation techniques. They have to, like I told before, they have to adapt some form of exercise. But before adapting those exercise, they should be able to exercise. So for that, they need their, according to their condition, the painkillers which are suiting them. And then proper counseling is a must for them. Also, these patients are already very troubled, and they really need your support, and we all need to be aware of this condition. So if you or your loved ones are suffering from this condition, you can come and show me in CK Birla Hospital 6 to 8 p.m. all days except Sundays.